Alright guys, now on to my layout. I just recently bought this CSX GP40-2 from Athearn, number 6233. It looks real nice. It runs great. My other CSX locomotive, which was a GP38-2, is in for repairs. Hopefully it will get repaired. The Conrail quality fixed itself. All I did really was take this out, and it worked. It works again. I might be able to show it to you. Anyway, I also recently bought from BLMA Models their reefer. It was $10 cheaper than the exact rail. This one was $24.95. The exact rails is around $34.95 or $32.95. So around $8 to $10 cheaper. And it's perfect. I also recently won this from altunaworks.info, their Facebook page. Conrail magnet. That's an SD80 Mac. It's not going to stay in the gondola, but we'll see where it goes. Probably just on my refrigerator or something. I'd like to put it somewhere around the layout, but I'm not sure where. Anyway, I also bought some bushes, putting them in quite a few places. I didn't even waste a quarter of it yet, so I'll just put it around. I made room here for a pond that might be up in my next video. I'll have it around this area. Let's see. I am going to patch this Canadian National boxcar to AOK, the sublettering. I might keep the number the same, but I just can't stand it being Canadian National anymore, since I really don't think they even have those boxcars. Anyway, here's that the bushes we were talking about. Pretty good price. The BLMA model and graffiti. So that'll be on soon. Not sure exactly what cars I'm gonna put it on, or put them on, but we'll see. So I also recently bought this Conrail covered hopper 2-bay. Weathered it, and I might sell it. So also I'm going to sell other trains here. I'm probably going to sell the auto rack for around $10. I'll weather it and put a little more graffiti on it. So I'm also looking to sell the genset for around $50 to $60 if anyone wants it. I'm also looking to sell one of my coil steel cars here. Just let me know which one, the black or the brown, and what you want. You can have both of the coil cars that are Conrail, or both that are NS, or one or the other. Just let me know. By the way, the coil steel cars, I'm only selling one, not the other. And I'll sell it for around $10. Also, if anyone wants this boxcar, let me know. I'm thinking I'll sell it for around $10. If you want me to put a little graffiti on it, I leave, also let you know. I will graffiti this one for sure. And hope it comes out good. Next layout video should be, hopefully we'll have the walls painted blue, sky blue. Hopefully. Might not happen by that time, but we'll see. That's it. Hoping to buy a new rolling stock and locomotive soon as well.